All right, so the Kingsong F18. Wow, I gotta say the wheel itself is comparable to the Lynx S, because I know that's what most people are thinking about. How does it compare against the Lynx S, which is the number one top dog for 20-inch suspension, do everything wheel. Yeah, the acceleration is there, and the suspension, of course. I mean, everybody wants to know about the suspension. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick impromptu feedback on the F18. Now I'll be doing many more videos in the future, of course, but this is just my impromptu feedback on this wheel. From the beginning, from getting on this wheel, the suspension is obviously the superstar here. It's a 4 suspension D&M custom made suspension. I think it's best in class from what I've felt so far. Compared to the Lynx S, I would say so as well. I think it's more adjustable than the Lynx S. Definitely got more travel than the Lynx S. Well, it feels like I've got more travel. I'm talking about usable travel. And I can feel it. You know, going over bumps, it's absorbing a lot of the bumps. You know, of course, this is not off-roading, but in terms of being compliant in this sort of environment, which is the kind of environment I use my EUC in, tight spaces, talking about going over a little rough surfaces over here, it just absorbs it beautifully. Now I know the Lynx S also has really nice suspension as well, especially, you know, absorbing small imperfection on streets like this, busy streets. You know, ask me why should I get a F18? I would say number one, suspension. Okay, just gonna go through this. Oh my God, no, I cannot make it. I'm gonna go to the right hand side. The power, in terms of the torque, oh yeah, of course it's there. The motor is a 5,000 watt motor. It says peak is about 20,000. I don't know, I cannot verify that, but it does feel torquey. Again, comparing to the Lynx S, it's comparable, but the Lynx S definitely has, you can definitely notice that Lynx S has a bit more punch. Not by a lot, but a bit more. Excuse me. Bumps, suspension is doing its job. Acceleration. Oh, there's a car coming over there. Can you see it? Yeah, and this is what I like about this wheel. The way it feels light. It feels controllable. Very chuckable. What really matters is how controllable the wheel is. In terms of the application of power, I really do think that while not on the same level as the Lynx S, for the value, I mean, talking about value, I think this F18, best value 20-inch. If you want to know the price, check out the link below at the bottom of this video, and you will see what I'm talking about. The price difference is definitely noticeable for what you get. So the pedal is okay, not the best. I mean, E-Rise we're thinking about developing a pedal for this, for the F18, but we're not quite sure if it's going to sell well. But after having a few days with this wheel, I think it's going to do really, really well. In terms of the way it looks, it's okay. I mean, they're trying to have their own design elements, but it's not my cup of tea, but it does the job. The handle here is really nice. I've got a guest over here. People are probably wondering, what is he talking about? Why is he looking at that thing? What is that thing? But of course, when you're riding the wheel, you're not looking at the wheel as you're riding it, right? So It's not that important to me anyway. All right, I think I'm caught in the middle. I'm just gonna go. All right, let's go. This is what I mean. Like, you gotta have your wits about you. And if you wanna test how responsive and easy to manage your wheel is, you come to this kind of environment where there's, little scooters left, right, center, buzzing past you, people stepping into traffic, cars on the left and the right. Yeah, you need a wheel that's responsive, and you need a wheel that is very compliant. Suspension is number one. I have not got the time to be checking out, adjusting my suspension. Is it the right kind of suspension? No, you want a wheel that just works. And this F18 works for me. I've got a police guy over there. I hope he doesn't stop me. Oh, that's the thing. Like, when you're in a place where people are not so used to something like this, you're gonna get attention. Let's go. All right, it's green. Gotta go. And this is where the power comes in. And I can brake as well. And now we're going to the next traffic light. There's so many scooters around here. So you gotta be careful, because they will just stop. Look at that. They nearly hit each other. All right, I'm going straight. So yeah, in terms of the ride feel, oh, it's nice. It's buttery smooth. The power delivery is amazing. As in, probably one of the best. The pedal feel is the best on the market at the moment. One thing that Kingsong don't get enough credit for is the pedal feel. If there's one thing I would say this wheel does better than the Lynx S and any other manufacturer, I would say it is the pedal feel. Hands down. I prefer the pedal feel on the F18 to the Lynx. Even to the InMotion as well. But I know InMotion, they're probably working on improving that through firmware and all that. Okay, so I am going to go across the street, and I need to be very careful. There's a lot of scooters here, as you can see. Lots and lots of scooters. So I need to be very careful. Oh, and this is where the power comes in it, because I need to leave all of them behind. It's green. Need a space. Woo. Oh. That's the problem. Find the space. I need to go. And that's the thing. You have to be careful not to get too excited, because all the delivery riders over here, there's a lot of delivery riders here, and they are on a mission to deliver, so they will cut in front of you if they think that is the shortest way to get into where they're supposed to deliver. I'm gonna find a spot, go between the cars, because I've got the power. Oh, yeah, this wheel is so smooth. The power delivery. Whereas with the Lynx, I noticed with the Lynx, whenever I accelerate, it's not as peppy off the line. But once you are going, then the Lynx torque kicks in. And that is when you really see the benefit of that, C42 motor of the Lynx. The power band is so nice. I cannot wait for the F18 Pro. If they decide to do a Pro, imagine putting like a C42 motor on this. Yes, the range will be reduced. Oh, I think I need to start getting going now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Yeah, imagine putting a C42 motor on the F18. That'll be bonkers. Oh, no, sorry. No, not that way. I'm going to point the camera this way so you guys can see what I see. Thing is, when you're in this environment, you gotta be aggressive. You cannot baby yourself, or else you never get anywhere in this traffic. You have to keep moving. You gotta take the space. That's what I'm talking about. There are bumps everywhere, but I haven't got time to be careful. That's what I have the suspension for, so it does all the job for me. And I know people are going to disagree, but I prefer this suspension somewhat to the Lynx S because it just has more. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. If you want to improve your reflex on an electric unicycle, come on, ride in places like this. You gotta be aware. Oh, okay, coming through. And the thing is, because I'm on the EUC, most people have not seen the EUC before, so they're probably wondering, what is this? So what you then get is people coming close to you and trying to get closer, not knowing that, you know, I'm on one wheel, of course. So if you come too close and you hit me, I'm going to fall over. Easier than you on 4 or 2 wheels. Curiosity gets the better of them. I mean, I would love to sit down and ride, but I feel more agile when I'm standing. All right, we've got green light. What's this guy waiting for? So when you see a car stop like that, even though it's green, you gotta be careful. All right, I'm nearly at my destination. This is just a quick impromptu ride feel of the F18. I'm gonna be doing more better polished feedback, but I just want to get on the wheel, just ride it. And of course, because I've just recently ridden the Lynx S, the comparison to the Lynx S is going to come to mind. And my quick feedback is best value for money than the Lynx S. But if money is not an issue and you just want a 20-inch suspension wheel, then the Lynx S, of course, the power is there. The suspension is also nice. It's a very nice suspension, and it looks nice as well. I prefer the the look of the Lynx S, but I prefer the power delivery and the value for money you get for this. You know, you get 4 suspension. The lights is nice as well. I've not put on the light because I don't want to blind you guys on, you know, looking at the camera, but the light is nice. I noticed as well at night there is an auto dimming feature with the light, and the color of the light actually changes from really bright, kind of like a dimming yellowish color, so it doesn't blind oncoming traffic. I just like little things like that. The app is also nice as well. The Kingsong app is improved since the last time I've used it. So all in all, I think it's a well put together wheel for the price. And if you want to know the price, check out the link below and get yours at eRides. We've got different regions, so depending on what region you are in, if you're in the US, if you're in Europe, even if you're in Australia, we can deliver there. But this is hectic. All right, guys, I need to concentrate. All right, until next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.